In front of me is Motorola Razr 60, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section here called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then choose Open right under Google and select Google Password Manager. If you don't see Add Password option, that means that you never added one before. You need at least one to add another ones manually, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on, and log in into any website or any app that requires an account. I will show you how it works. So leave Settings opened in the background, select an app or a website, input your login information and hit Login. Then wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, select Save at the bottom right corner and go back to your settings. This time, when you enter Google Password Manager, you will see your first password added and with it, Add Password option. So click on it and add any other password manually. At the top, input any website or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!